Did you know that a simple tropical leaf, often overlooked and growing quietly in the background, could ease joint pain, boost your energy levels, and even help your body defend itself against illness? Imagine a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries, yet is only now being rediscovered by the modern world. This isn't just wishful thinking. Some plants truly have the power to supercharge your immune system and help you feel your best, every single day. It might sound unbelievable, but nature often hides its most powerful remedies in the most ordinary places. Sometimes, the answers to our health challenges are growing right under our noses, waiting to be noticed. The humble Noni leaf is a perfect example. For generations, traditional healers have relied on this vibrant green leaf, and now the world is finally catching up, recognizing its remarkable health benefits and the wisdom of ancient practices. Imagine waking up each morning with less stiffness in your joints, feeling lighter and more flexible, ready to take on the day with a sense of ease and comfort. Picture yourself powering through your daily routine, fueled by natural energy instead of relying on caffeine or artificial stimulants. And imagine feeling confident in your body's natural defenses, knowing you're supporting your immune system with something pure and time-tested. For countless generations, Pacific Islanders have relied on noni leaves as a cornerstone of their medicine cabinet. These leaves were valued long before modern science began to investigate their properties, passed down through families as a trusted remedy for a wide range of ailments. Today, we're going to explore why this ancient remedy is more relevant than ever, and how it's making a comeback in the world of natural wellness. In a world overflowing with new wellness trends and miracle cures, the noni leaf stands out, not just for its proven history, but for the growing scientific support that backs up what traditional healers have known all along. This isn't just another passing fad, it's a living legacy of natural healing, rooted in tradition and now validated by research. So let's pull back the curtain on this green powerhouse. Discover how the noni leaf can become a part of your own wellness journey, just as it has for so many before you. We'll dive into the science, the rich traditions, and practical ways you can use noni leaf to help with inflammation, soothe your joints, and support your overall health. Whether you're seeking more energy, better immune support, or simply a natural way to feel your best, the noni leaf has something to offer. Are you ready to discover how one remarkable leaf can transform your health and well-being? Let's get started on this journey together. The noni plant, or Morinda citrifolia, is a small evergreen tree thriving in the Pacific Islands, Southeast Asia, and beyond. While the fruit is famous for its strong smell, the real star is the large, glossy noni leaf, packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. For centuries, Polynesian healers used these leaves for teas, poultices, and tonics to treat everything from skin irritations to deep aches. Noni was so vital, it traveled with early Polynesians as a canoe plant, a portable pharmacy for new lands. Today, as we seek natural wellness, we're rediscovering the leaf's unique benefits. Without the fruit's pungent taste, modern research is now catching up, exploring the compounds that made noni leaf a traditional staple. It's a perfect example of ancient wisdom meeting modern science. Noni leaf is celebrated for its remarkable ability to manage inflammation and soothe joint pain, making it a cherished remedy in many traditional healing systems. For generations, people have turned to this vibrant green leaf, not just for its medicinal properties, but also for the hope it brings to those struggling with daily discomfort. Chronic discomfort from stiff knees or an aching back often stems from inflammation, nature's fire in your joints. This persistent inflammation can make even simple movements feel challenging, affecting your quality of life and independence. Noni leaves contain powerful flavonoids and iridoids, natural compounds that help calm these inflammatory pathways. These bioactive substances work at a cellular level, helping to reduce swelling, ease pain, and restore comfort to your joints. Traditionally, people applied warm noni leaves directly to sore joints for targeted relief, a practice now supported by emerging research. This simple home remedy harnesses the plant's natural healing power, offering a gentle alternative to synthetic treatments. Studies show noni leaf extracts can inhibit enzymes that trigger inflammation, offering a gentle, plant-based approach. Scientists are now uncovering how these extracts may help protect cartilage and support long-term joint health. Unlike over-the-counter painkillers, which often mask symptoms and may cause side effects, Noni Leaf addresses the root cause of joint pain by calming inflammation naturally. This makes it a safer, more holistic option for many people. Imagine starting your day with less stiffness and more mobility thanks to a simple tea or supplement made from noni leaves. Incorporating this ancient remedy into your routine can help you move with greater ease and comfort. It's about supporting your body's healing naturally and giving yourself the chance to enjoy life's activities without being held back by pain. Noni Leaf is a time-tested ally for lasting comfort and improved movement, helping you reclaim your freedom and vitality one step at a time. Ever hit that afternoon slump or feel emotionally drained? Maybe you find yourself staring at your screen, struggling to focus, or just wishing you had a little more pep in your step. These moments are common, especially with the demands of modern life, and it's easy to reach for a quick fix. Instead of reaching for caffeine or sugary snacks, consider the Noni Leaf, a natural, sustainable energy booster that's been used for generations in traditional wellness practices. Noni Leaf is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress and balance energy without the crash that often follows coffee or energy drinks. It works gently, supporting your system rather than overstimulating it. It supports adrenal health, modulates cortisol, and helps preserve your energy for when you need it most. By nurturing your body's stress response, Noni Leaf can help you feel more resilient in the face of daily challenges. The leaf's unique compounds may also support serotonin production, which is key for a stable, positive mood. This means you're not just getting a physical boost, but an emotional lift as well. Imagine starting your day with Noni Leaf tea. No jitters, just steady vitality and mental clarity that lasts. It's a gentle ritual that can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. For those juggling busy lives, Noni Leaf can help you feel less overwhelmed and more centered, making it easier to handle whatever comes your way. It's not about instant transformation, but gradual, lasting support. Over time, you may notice more consistent energy, improved focus, and a calmer mood. By nourishing your system and managing stress, Noni Leaf helps you reclaim natural energy and a brighter outlook. It's about feeling good from the inside out, every single day. It's a gentle tool for daily resilience, helping you bounce back from life's ups and downs with greater ease. Rediscover balance and vitality, one cup at a time. With Noni Leaf, you're choosing a path to sustainable energy and a happier, healthier you. In today's world, a strong immune system is essential, and Noni Leaf is a powerful ally. Its high antioxidant content, including scopolamine and flavonoids, helps neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This allows your immune cells to function at their best, making you more resilient to illness. Noni Leaf doesn't just boost immunity, it helps balance it, preventing overreactions that can lead to allergies or autoimmune issues. Think of it as a smart tuner for your body's defenses. For those exposed to daily germs, like teachers or parents, Noni Leaf tea or supplements offer extra support, fewer sick days, faster recovery, and a more robust immune response. By adding Noni Leaf to your routine, you're building a smarter, stronger defense system. Stay healthy, naturally, all year round. Wondering how to use Noni Leaf? It's easy and versatile. Brew a mild, earthy Noni Leaf tea. Just steep dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy it plain or with honey, lemon, or ginger for added flavor. A morning cup can gently boost energy. An evening cup soothes and calms. For localized pain, try a traditional poultice. Warm fresh leaves and apply directly to sore joints or irritated skin. Hold in place for 20-30 minutes to let the healing compounds absorb. Even if fresh leaves are hard to find, this method shows the plant's versatility. Whether sipped as tea or used as a compress, Noni Leaf offers practical, everyday wellness. Simple, natural, and effective. Beyond tea and poultices, Noni Leaf is available in convenient modern forms. Capsules or tablets offer a consistent, measured dose, perfect for busy lifestyles or those who dislike herbal teas. Look for high-quality supplements made from pure Morinda citrifolia leaf, free from fillers. Tinctures, liquid extracts, are fast-acting and easy to add to water or juice. Just a few drops deliver a concentrated dose of benefits. Topical creams and salves infused with Noni Leaf can soothe skin irritations, rashes, and muscle soreness. Keep a Noni salve in your first aid kit for minor cuts, burns, or bites. From tea to supplements to skincare, there's a Noni Leaf option for everyone. Experience its healing power in the way that fits your life best. While Noni Leaf is a remarkable natural remedy, always approach new supplements with care. This information is for education, not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have kidney or liver issues, or take prescription medications. Noni Leaf is high in potassium and may interact with certain drugs. Your healthcare provider can help determine if it's right for you and guide you on safe dosage. Be open about all supplements you use. Responsible self-care is key. Natural remedies should complement, not replace, conventional care. Focus on a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Build your wellness plan with knowledge and professional support. We've uncovered the Noni Leaf's journey from ancient tradition to modern wellness. This simple leaf offers real solutions for joint pain, energy, mood, and immune support. Whether you sip tea, take a capsule, or use a poultice, you're tapping into centuries of natural healing. Embrace a mindset that values nature's gentle, sustainable remedies. Stay curious. Noni Leaf is just one of many botanical treasures for your health. Learn, experiment safely, and work with trusted professionals. Your journey to better health is ongoing. Take each step with intention. Keep exploring. Keep asking questions, and keep building a vibrant, resilient life. Here's to your health and the power of nature's pharmacy.